Welcome to Scarlett and Natalia Toys Review. Show us your dolls. Natalia. We're going on a car ride. Say we're going on a car ride. Who's in the car? Oh, time to lie down. Nap time. So nap time. And we have our heart pillow. Heart pillow. Yep, lie down. Lie down on your heart pillow. The heart pillow has... And who's over here? Who's your friend here? She's gonna lie down? Alright. Alright. Let's see what else we have. We have a minion. Where's the minion? Show us your minion. Show us again. Let's see what sound he makes. Make him make the sound. Oh, minion.
I know it's this me.
And we got this car over here. We could turn it on. We got the horn, beep beep beep.
I see a buddy, Green.
Yeah, and then we have our friend the turtle. Our turtle friend. What other toys can you share with us? Whoa, I think we're going for the big one. Natalia, show us what's there. Whoa. Lots of toys. Whoa, I see you got the cars there. Look at this. Let's show us how the cars go. We got these cars. The cars. We can put the car over here. We can put it like this. And then we go. Yeah. Uh-oh. It has to go like this. And then leave it there. And then you push it down. One more time. Oh, almost got it. Let's try it. Let's try it again. There we go. We got it. We got it. Here it goes. Woo! Boink, boink. Boink, boink. And then we can take the car. Whoa, no, don't jump on there. We can take the car and have it go down here. Let's see it go down. Whoa! Woohoo! That's it. And now? It jumped. It was like a trampoline. It's a trampoline for cars.
Okay, one more.
One more. We got one more getting ready for the race. Whoa! He jumped the race. Uh-oh. Okay. Show us how it works. You put it there. Let's look from this side. Almost. Alright, try again. There we go. The car jumps. Alright, alright. We got the cars here. You got another car?
Yeah.
Oh, one more car. They can have a race. All right.
And my car. My car.
Yeah?
It's my car.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Natalia. Well, this is going to be it for our fun playtime toy video here. We'd like to ask everybody to give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. Click on the links to our other videos. Our other videos should be popping up on the screen for you to click them. And we will see you in the next video. Have a great day, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.